Hey skincare lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make effective lightening and treatment soap, black soap. This soap now is requested by my customer that used a product that damaged her skin, a product that gave her stretch mark, green vein, white patches. Like, it really reacts on her skin badly. So she requested for a soap that she can use to get rid of, those things on her skin, and glow and brightening up her skin. So, and I decided to share this with you guys. Maybe you're into this business, or you used a product that damaged your skin and you really want to get rid of it. This video is for you. So just sit down and watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to give you every details you need to know. This is very effective. Of course, the reason why I'm going to make this black soap is because black soap is more effective if you want to treat your skin, to compare other soaps like mulatto soap, like other soaps. Okay, if you want to make a treatment soap, black soap is the best. Okay, so I'm going to introduce all the ingredients we're going to use on this, in case if you're wondering what is inside this mixing bowl. That is my tojo soap. Yeah, this soap here, that is what is inside here. I first grate it because I don't want this video to be too long. I see a lot of you complaining that my video is too long, but I try to explain everything, so most of you will come back to my WhatsApp asking me questions concerning the videos I made. So that's why I try to explain everything for you to understand. So here I have just one tojo soap inside, and here I have the black soap, my Ghana black soap. I'm gonna use just one wrap on. Here I have my cinnamon powder. I have my sandalwood powder. Here I have my turmeric powder. Here I have my neem powder. Here I have my camwood powder. Here I have my lemon peel powder. And here I have my anti-pimple and anti-bulb soap. I'm gonna use one nylon each. Okay, and here I have my omiaro. Okay, this omiaro is very amazing if you want to treat your skin. You want to make a product for someone that has a rashes, white patches, green vein on the skin. Omiaro is very good. Okay, of course, here I have my small but mighty miracle powder. I'm gonna add this is a treatment powder. Okay, here I have my feminine water, stretch feminine water. This is a treatment. Here I have my honey. If you're getting your honey, make sure you're using the original one, please. And here I have my rescue oil. This is a treatment oil which helps treat stretch marks, scars, dry skin, edgy skin, blemish, etc. And here I have my citro clear oil. This contains lemon, which is good on fading dark spots, like treating the skin. This is very amazing. I have my goat's milk powder. I'm gonna use my goat's milk powder, which helps to moisturize the skin, smooth the skin, nourish the skin. Here I have my salicylic acid. I'm gonna use this helps to lightening the skin. Here I have my citric acid powder. Here I have my vitamin B3, which is niacinamide powder. This is a whitening powder. Here I have my lactic acid powder. Here I have my lavender essential oil. This is a treatment oil, okay, for sky, stretch mark, green vein, anything that has to do with treatment. Okay, so here I have my coconut oil. This is a cold pressed coconut oil. This is 15 ml. I'm using cold press because I think cold press is more better and natural. Okay, please don't mind my camera, there is no light, so I'm just using natural light, and the sun is not out yet, so it's not really that bright, so please help me manage it like that. And here I have my scented cleanser. This helps to whitening the skin and treat the skin. Okay, so the reason why I'm adding this is that if she has oil skin, this is gonna help to control it. Okay, here I have my Shalom stretch mark oil for treating stretch mark, green vein, etc. Here I have my vegetable grassline, and here I have my German Plus preservative. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pieces the soap here. Okay, this. So I'll go ahead and add the green ball soap. So I'm gonna add the anti-pimple ball soap. Remember, I'm adding 1 nylon, okay, which is 10 pieces inside. After adding those things, you mix it together before adding your powders inside, okay. So here I have 83 ml. I'm going to use it to measure out my powders. I'm going to add camwood powder into this, okay. Here I have my neem powder. Here I have my turmeric powder. Here I have my sandalwood powder. Here I have my cinnamon powder. I'm going to use 5 ml spoon to measure it. This is 5 ml spoon, so I'm going to use 2 of it. So here is my miracle powder. I'm going to add a pinch of my miracle powder into this. So here I have my goat milk powder. Like I said, I use this to measure out. This is 5 ml. I use it to measure out my lemon peeling powder, and this is what I'm going to use to measure out other powders. The goat milk vitamin C. Okay. Okay. So I added 2 of my goat milk powder. 1 spoon of my lactic acid powder. 1. So here I have my vitamin B3, which is niacinamide powder. This is a whitening powder. I'm adding just 1 of this. Here I have my lactic acid powder. I'm going to add 1 spoon of this. Here I have my salicylic acid. I'm going to add 1 spoon. Here I have my feminine water, stretch feminine water. 1, 2, 3. I added 3 of this. I have my coconut oil. 1, 2, 3. Here I have my stretch mark oil, Sharon stretch mark oil. I added 3. Here I have my rescue oil. 1, 2, 3. Here I have my citric acid. Here I have my lavender essential oil. I'm gonna add 4 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my scented cleanser. 1, 2, 3. Here I have my honey. Remember, this is 83 ml, so I'm using 83 ml of my honey. Here I have my umiaru. So I'll go ahead and add my vegetable grassling. Here I have my German Plus preservative. So you go ahead and mix this together. So this is it. You go ahead and mix this like this together, then you cover this for at least 24 hours. If you want to pound this, fine, but me, I don't like pounding my soap. I love to soak it. to the next day. So you leave this for 24 hours, then after that you mix with your blender and package. So if you're using this soap, apply this soap on your skin for at least 30 minutes before you bathe. Okay, it's very important. Massage very well. There is no need of you applying your soap, putting your soap on your sponge, just like you're wasting the soap. And use this every night or every day, okay, and you're good to go. Make sure you're scrubbing. See you guys on my next video. Let me know what you think about this video. Please and please, for you to support me, I put a lot of effort in making my video, so help me to smash the like button, help me to smash the like button, share the video, subscribe. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Bye, love you guys.